Hello and welcome to our video. Do you love traveling but always worry about leaving your furry friend behind due to their separation anxiety? This video titled, "What You Didn't Know About Separation Anxiety in Dogs on Your Travels," will shed some light on this often neglected topic, provide you with useful insights, and help you enhance your dog's experience and comfort while you're away. Let's dive in and unravel the secrets to a worry-free adventure without causing distress to your pet. 1. The essence of canine separation anxiety. Separation anxiety is a condition that leads to intense distress in dogs when they're left alone or separated from their owners. Imagine someone pulling out a thread from a seam. It might seem harmless at first, but it can unravel the whole garment. It's similar with dogs who face this anxiety. What starts as minor worry can quickly escalate into destructive behaviors. Dogs with separation anxiety often bark excessively, chew indoors, or even urinate when they're nervous. For some dogs, the anxiety can get so severe that they might injure themselves trying to find their owner. It's like having an emotional storm inside, where every minute feels like an eternal wait for their human companion's return. 2. The prevalence of this canine concern. You might think that only a few dogs go through this, but studies show otherwise. In various surveys, as many as 72.5% of dogs were noted to have anxiety-related behaviors. Picture a room full of dogs, almost 3 out of 4 of them feeling stressed. It's more common than you might assume. Also, the recent pandemic has severely exacerbated these feelings in pets. The lack of normalcy and routine, combined with owners suddenly being home all the time and then gone, has challenged canine resilience. Veterinarians worldwide saw cases of separation anxiety jump by 700% as routines were disrupted for both pets and their humans. 3. Travel plans. Beware. For many dog owners, separation anxiety becomes glaringly apparent when it's time to travel. Be it for a business trip or a relaxing vacation, the idea of leaving behind an anxious pet can deter even the most adventurous travelers. Dogs who suffer from this condition struggle the most when their usual routine is broken. An unfamiliar environment acts like fuel to their already burning anxiety, compelling many owners to either modify or altogether cancel their travel pursuits. 4. Tuning your pooch for your absence. Imagine driving a car without having ever fueled it up. It's going to stop pretty soon. It's similar when leaving your anxious dog behind without preparation. Prepare them gradually. Start by leaving them alone for short pockets of time and then slowly elongate these intervals. Activities like hide and seek with toys can be engaging distractions for your dog. Ensure there's a cozy corner with familiar smells that comforts them in your absence. And remember, sometimes getting professional help from a dog trainer can craft a more tailored desensitization strategy for your pet. 5. Picking the perfect care solution. While you're away, your dog needs a safety net. Choosing the right care is like picking the right babysitter. Not just anyone can fit the bill. Options to consider include pet sitters, doggy daycare, or even friend or family assistance. Whichever you choose, it's crucial that you introduce the caregiver and environment to your dog well in advance. This will depreciate the level of anxiety they might feel being in unfamiliar hands and surroundings. 6. The adventure of traveling together. Sometimes taking your dog on the journey seems like the best idea. Prepare in advance, the way a chef would prepare ingredients before beginning to cook. Ensure your dog is used to car rides or has had a few short trips before setting off. Be it common items like the dog's preferred blanket or a favorite toy, such artifacts bring comfort during transitions. Explore pet-friendly accommodations and plan breaks for fresh air and movement. 7. The golden thread of routine and familiarity. Feeding, walking, and playtime should feel like the heartbeats of a consistent rhythm. Every trip, meal, and game should ideally happen at the same time every day. Even while traveling, strive to incorporate these consistent routines as much as you can. A familiar routine is like the lighthouse guiding a ship in a storm for your dog, offering warmth and security when the surrounding waters feel turbulent. 8. Professional expertise and solutions. Some dogs suffer terribly and need more than just homemade solutions. Seeking the expertise of certified trainers or veterinary behaviorists can significantly aid your dog. These professionals offer tailored programs combined with positive reinforcement methods that help assuage anxiety over time. In particularly severe cases of anxiety, veterinarians might discuss the possibility of medication. However, it's pivotal that these are paired with supportive behavioral training. Understanding and addressing separation anxiety in your dog can change how you approach travel, ensuring smoother journeys for both you and your canine friend. Patience, understanding, and preparation can go a long way in making your travel plans positively successful.